Dears, hope you all are well. Today again we will learn multiplication and division fact. Okay dears, and I am not explaining any deeply, but today I am showing you how to solve such kind of sums. So be with me and everyone carefully watch on the board. Okay dears, so first question asks that write two division facts for each multiplication fact. So dear, multiplication fact is given here. You have to write the division fact. So how I will write the division fact dear? Listen, these two are the multiplication fact. Okay, and this is the product, isn't it? So I will just divide product by first multiplication fact and then the second multiplication fact. Okay, like this. 56 is divided by 7, it will give you 8, isn't it? And the second one is 56 is divided by 8, it will give you 7. So 8 and 7 is your division fact. Okay, now let's do the second sum. Okay, we have to do in the similar way. So again dears, listen carefully. I have to just find out two division fact out of these two multiplication fact. So dear, 45, when I divide 45 by 9, I will get 5 as the answer. Okay, and when again I divide 45 by 5, I will get 9 as the answer. So 5 and 9 is my division fact. Okay, so similarly I will do the rest of the sums also. 32 divided by 8 gives you 4, or 32 divided by 4 gives you 8. Okay dears, I hope you all are understanding this. Now let's do the last sums as well. So again here I will divide 90 by 10, it will give you 9, and when again I will divide 90 by 9, it will give you 10 as the answers. So again this 9 and 10 is your division fact. Okay dears, now similarly we will see how to write the two multiplication facts for the each given division fact. Okay, so division fact is given here. I have to write down the multiplication facts. Okay, so here also how I will find out the multiplication fact, just you all watch carefully. Dear, now 9 and 4. When I multiply 4 by 9, I will get 36. So 9 or 4 is my what? Multiplication fact. Now look here, I am writing here 9 multiplied by 4 also gives you 36. So either I can multiply 4 by 9, it will give you 36, or 9 by 4, it will again give you 36 only. So this is the one multiplication fact. Okay, now let's similarly do the second one also. What I will do here? Yes, I hope you all are understanding this. I will write it down first. Okay, 7 multiplied by 6 will gives you 42. Or I have to just write it down in the reverse way. Like 6 multiplied by 7 is also gives you 42. So there, these two is my multiplication fact. Okay. Now let's do the third number sums also. See number 4, 6 are 24, or 6 4 the 24. Okay dears, now those who are watch this video, and after that dears, I am just not doing one sum. This I am just leaving for you all. You will at least solve these sums, okay, and send it to me personally. Okay dears, or you can just write it down everything in your copy and you all can send it to me personally. I will check everything. Okay, so today this much. Bye bye.